Okay, the problem with this game is that if I click on one of the buttons, I have X, and then I click here, I have 0, but I want to have this generated randomly, like NAI. And to do that, I'm gonna go down here and I'll type if current player equals 0, then I'm gonna type AI underscore move. Then I'll go down here and I'll type a comment, function to handle AI random move. I'll type def AI underscore move, not gonna have any parameters, and I'll type global current player, and I'll type empty cells equals to square brackets parentheses I and J, so I and J should be in parentheses, I and J, and I'll type for I in range 3, for J in range also 3, if game board at I and J equals empty, I'm gonna type here if empty cells, so if there are empty cells, I'm gonna type row column equals to random, so random dot choice empty cells, so it's gonna generate. Then I'm gonna type game board row and column call equals to current player. Then I'm gonna type buttons at row and column dot config text current player state is gonna be equal to tk dot disabled. Then I'll go down here and I'll type winner equals to check winner, and I'll type if so if winner, and I'll type here if winner equals tie. I'm gonna type message box dot show info tic tac toe, comma, it's a tie. Else I'm gonna type message box dot show info tic tac toe, comma, and I will put here f player curly braces winner wins. Then I will go here and I'll type reset game, and I will add an else for the first if, and I'll type current player, so let's put else current player equals to x. Now if I run this, I have x X, X, and now the player says X wins. Now we have the 0 generated randomly. And if I click on OK, I can play it again. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.